This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burgers at home. First, let's talk about the foundation, the patty. For the best results, select ground beef with an 80/20 lean to fat ratio. This ensures a juicy and flavorful burger. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 3/4 of an inch thick and 4 inches wide. Remember to press a small dimple in the center of each patty. This simple trick helps them cook evenly and prevents them from puffing up in the middle. This preparation is key to a great burger. Now that your patties are ready, it's time to season and cook them. Generously sprinkle both sides with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. Preheat your grill or a cast iron skillet to a medium-high temperature. This ensures a beautiful sear. Cook your burgers for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare to medium doneness. Adjust the cooking time based on your preferred level of doneness and the thickness of your patties. You're almost there. A great burger isn't just about the patty. The supporting cast is equally important. Start by lightly toasting your burger buns. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Next, gather your fresh toppings. Think crisp lettuce, ripe, juicy tomatoes, and thinly sliced onions. Don't forget the cheese. Offer a selection like sharp cheddar, creamy Swiss, or mild provolone to melt perfectly on your hot patty. These elements truly elevate the entire burger experience. The moment has arrived to assemble your delicious creation. Place your perfectly cooked patty on the bottom half of your toasted bun. If you're adding cheese, do so immediately so it melts beautifully over the hot meat. Next, layer on your fresh vegetables like crisp lettuce, juicy tomato, and onion. Finish with your favorite condiments, such as ketchup, mustard, or a special sauce. Serve your homemade burger right away to enjoy its warmth and incredible flavor. Bon appétit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.